So we're just leaving the workshop now. We're just heading over to the what is going to be the first day on the new project. As you can see here, we got the Abarth van loaded up. Anna's got the squishies, good stuff. Right, let's do it. You driving?
No, you are.
I am. Okay. We've recently just got the keys to our new apartment. It needs a hell of a lot of work, and so we're going to do some videos to document the progress. Enjoy. Oh, I didn't mean that skirting board. Hilarious. So, plan of action then. Basically, I want to get all the skirting boards back, all the walls stripped down. We've literally kind of got no idea in terms of the plan, have we?
No, not who.
Not really.
Just go for it.
Just, yeah, get all the old shit out and start fresh. That's kind of the basis. And try not to go for any like live cables and shit. Yeah, it's just, we want to go back to the joist. We want to have a look what's behind there. We want to see how well insulated it is. We want to get access to all the wiring. At the moment, the wiring is just draped around the bottom of the skirting boards, and obviously we want that hidden, you know, like a normal house, what you don't see in a new build. Just cast your eye over this. Oh yeah. No smart meters in here, smart thermostats. Let me frame you in, there we go. So like our idea at the start was to kind of get established with the building, see what's what, find any sort of like hidden little features. Then we were kind of thinking, well, we might as well go literally back to shell. Just trying to get all this like cover up stuff off at the moment. See what's behind. We got a beam.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, it's got to look sick, isn't it? This is a bit, yeah, it's a bit disappointing, this bit, isn't it? Like, all this fucking shite.
Yeah, it looks like it's split and then they just wedged some.
Just chuck some wood in there, mate. Wooden packers. Yeah, this is just
Wow.
what is going on there. That's top workmanship. It's just houses, isn't it? Like, you know.
Just hide it with plaster.
Behind some plaster, and then she's job done. So yeah, pile of crap is increasing. More wood taken out and more oak exposed. Yeah, I'm so excited to kind of plan the room with incorporating these beams in, just so you can sort of visually see them and they're not covered up. It's going to look so good. Obviously we are in the attic, so we're going to have a load of them everywhere, haven't we?
Yeah.
Maybe. What have you been doing in there?
Le carpet.
You've been doing what?
Taking out the carpet.
Oh yeah, nice.
And just starting to pull off the skirting boards.
The skirting boards and the carpet grippers.
Do you think we should take off the
Underlay?
underlay now or spare the neighbours?
It's probably spare the neighbours, to be fair, yeah. It's probably not a bad shout. Yeah, don't worry. Oh good. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's going to be crazy shit when we get rid of this wall. So this wall's coming up. Yeah, just go from... Yeah, you're okay. Job done. Oh no. Oh. Oh damn. What have we done? What have we done? We've only moved in for like
Less than a day.
less than a day and we fucked the place already. As you can see, we basically, one thing led to another, and now we're here. It's like the quickest way of removing wallpaper, isn't it? You know, just by stripping the walls. So yeah, we kind of had a sneaky suspicion just by stripping out this cupboard here that there wasn't any insulation between the I think it was, yeah, it's MDF on the top. So yeah, obviously that's something to do. But yeah, also what we come across is just a little bit of a wet beam here. It seems to be have a little bit of a leak coming above the roof there. I think the roof has been done, hasn't it? Sometime.
It's due to be done.
No, isn't it? I think it got re-leaded, didn't it? It got re-leaded sometime. No, the actual lead on the roof.
Oh.
Yeah, not the actual like patio.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
No, yeah, it's been done. So anyway, that might be an old. I would have expected it to dry out by now, but it might be an old, or it might be a new leak. We will see. So yeah, here we are. Got a wall. Got some 4 layers of wallpaper. It's like a nice little theme there, and it goes down to a butterfly theme there. Same on the other side. Yeah. Day 1.
Good stuff.
I thought you were gonna give me an end to the video.
What could be the end?
You go like day 1.
Oh, got it.
About concludes day 1.
I didn't actually mean to hit it, but I did.